Use case 2. We shipped a new release, 1.5.0. Now we promote it through dev, test, and prod, by changing one value per environment, never by editing the pod by hand. By the end of this lesson, you can promote a new image release through dev, test, and prod in both Helm and Kustomize, and understand why a version rollout is a pointer move, not a re-authoring of the manifest. Here is the scenario. A new build is ready, check out API version 1.5.0. We promote it through dev, then test, then prod. Crucially, each promotion changes exactly one value, the image tag. We will look at it mid-flight. Dev and test already run the new release, while prod still lags on the previous good one, waiting for sign-off. Picture the latter. Dev sits on 1.5.0, promoted first. Test sits on 1.5.0, promoted after dev passed. And prod still runs 1.4.2, the previous good release, waiting for the green light. Finishing the rollout is moving prod one rung up the ladder, nothing more. Notice what does and does not change. The pod manifest itself, ports, envars, probes, does not change at all. Only the image tag differs per environment. In Helm, that tag lives as image.tag inside the environment's values file. In Kustomize, it lives as a new tag entry in the overlay. One line, one tag, per environment. In Helm, the image tag is just another value. The base values file carries a baseline tag. Each environment overlay sets its own tag. Dev and test overlays set 1.5.0. The prod overlay still sets 1.4.2, because we have not promoted it yet. To finish the rollout, we change that one line in prod. Here are the values. The dev overlay sets the tag to 1.5.0, promoted. The prod overlay sets 1.4.2, lagging. That comment is the entire remaining work. Change prod's tag to 1.5.0, and the rollout is done. One line, in one file, fully reviewable in the pull request. See how small the promotion is. You change one value in the prod overlay, the image tag, from 1.4.2 to 1.5.0. That single edit is the entire production rollout. No templates change, no other values change. Helm renders the new tag into the same manifest, and prod is promoted. And here is why it is so clean. The template has a single hole for the image, repository and tag, joined together. Whatever tag the overlay provides gets rendered straight in. The template never changes. You just re-render with a different values file, and the new tag appears. Here are the Helm tag commands in practice. Helm template with the prod overlay shows you the current tag. Diff the renders for two different tags, and you see exactly what changes, usually just the image string. Helm upgrade applies the new tag to the cluster. And a rollback is trivial. Change the value back and re-render. A version rollout is a pointer move, not a rewrite. Kustomize handles tags with a feature called the images transformer. The base deployment is pinned to a tag, 1.4.2. Each overlay rewrites the tag using an images block. Dev and test overlays set the new tag to 1.5.0. The prod overlay sets 1.4.2, lagging. Same ladder, different syntax. Here is the Kustomize images block in the dev overlay. It names the image and sets a new tag, 1.5.0. Kustomize rewrites every occurrence of that image in the base with the new tag. To promote to prod, you add the same block to the prod overlay with the new tag. One small block, one tag, per environment. See the promotion. You change the new tag in the prod overlay's customization file, from 1.4.2 to 1.5.0. The images transformer rewrites the tag everywhere it appears, and prod is promoted. The base manifest stays pinned to the old tag, only the overlay rewrites it, and the Kustomize tag commands. Render prod and grep for the image to see its current tag. Diff the dev and prod renders, the only difference is the tag. Then apply with kubectl apply-k. The whole promotion is visible, reviewable, and reversible. One tag per environment. That is the whole ladder. Step back and notice the bigger idea. Promoting an image does not re-author the manifest. The manifest shape is identical, only the tag, which is really a pointer to a specific build, moves forward. In a full GitOps setup, that pointer is literally a git revision or a tag. And rolling back is just moving the pointer back to the previous good build. Promotion and rollback become the same, safe action. See it as pointers. Main produces a stream of immutable tags. Prod currently points at 1.4.2. Promoting means moving prod's pointer to 1.5.0, the new build. The change is a redirect, not a rewrite. And if 1.5.0 turns out to be bad, you move the pointer straight back. Here is the beauty of pointer-based promotion. Suppose 1.5.0 misbehaves in prod. You do not write a fix or hack the cluster. You move prod's pointer back to 1.4.2, the known good build. Rollback is the exact same action as promotion, just in reverse. Both are one line, reviewable, and instant. Forward to promote. Back to rollback. Compare the two for this use case. Helm changes image.tag in the environment values file. Customize changes new tag in the overlays images block. In both, the manifest shape is completely unchanged, only the tag moves. And in both, promotion is a one-line, reviewable pointer move. The discipline is, again, identical. Quick recap. You promote an image by changing exactly one tag per environment. In Helm, that is image.tag in the values file. In Customize, it is new tag in the images block. The manifest shape never changes. Promotion is moving a pointer forward, rollback is moving it back. The same safe action, in both directions. A small exercise. Open the Use Case 2 folder. Render dev and prod in both Helm and Customize. Diff them, and confirm that the only difference is the image tag. Then promote prod by changing that one line, re-render, and watch prod jump to the new release. One line, one rollout. Change the pointer. Not the manifest. One tag. One line. One rollout. That is use case 2. Next, we add a brand new sidecar container, and promote it through the environments.